The streets of Wenzhou, China now have a new kind of peacekeeper. It's not human, it's a robot. This sleek, advanced machine is a testament to the rapid strides in artificial intelligence and robotics. As it navigates the bustling streets, it scans its surroundings with precision, ensuring everything is in order. This robotic guardian is both a marvel and a sign of the times. This isn't science fiction. It's a glimpse into the future of law enforcement. Imagine a world where robots assist human officers, taking on tasks too dangerous or mundane for humans. This vision is becoming a reality in Wenzhou, where the robot patrols day and night, tirelessly working to keep the peace. Its sensors and cameras are always on the lookout, ready to detect any sign of trouble. This advanced machine is China's first foray into the world of robotic security guards, and it's turning heads. People stop and stare, some with curiosity, others with a hint of apprehension. The robot's presence is a topic of conversation, sparking debates about the role of technology in our lives. It's not just a piece of machinery, it's a symbol of progress and a harbinger of change. Developed by Chinese researchers, this robot is designed to maintain order and respond to threats. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology, it can identify suspicious behavior, alert authorities, and even intervene if necessary. Its creators envision a future where such robots are commonplace, working alongside humans to create safer communities. The robot's interactions with pedestrians are carefully monitored, ensuring it can handle a variety of situations with ease. It's a symbol of China's growing technological prowess. The country has invested heavily in research and development, aiming to become a global leader in AI and robotics. This robot is just one example of the innovative solutions being developed to address modern challenges. As it patrols the streets, it serves as a reminder of the potential that technology holds for improving our lives. But it's also raising eyebrows. Not everyone is convinced that robots should play such a prominent role in law enforcement. Concerns about privacy, security, and the potential for misuse are at the forefront of many people's minds. The robot's presence is a double-edged sword representing both hope and fear. As society grapples with these issues, the debate over the use of robotic security guards continues. Some people are excited about the potential of this technology. Others are more wary. Enthusiasts see it as a step towards a safer, more efficient future, where robots handle tasks that are too dangerous for humans. Skeptics, however, worry about the implications for personal freedom and the potential for abuse. The mixed reactions highlight the complexity of integrating advanced technology into everyday life. Could this be a step towards a dystopian future where machines police our streets? Or is it a necessary evolution in our quest for safety and efficiency? The answer may lie somewhere in between. As we navigate this new frontier, the challenge will be to balance innovation with ethical considerations, ensuring that technology serves humanity's best interests. The streets of Wenzhou are just the beginning of this journey. This robot isn't just about appearances. It's a marvel of modern engineering, crafted to handle situations too perilous or complex for humans. Picture a scenario where a suspect is armed and dangerous. Sending in a human officer could lead to injury or worse, but this robot can intervene, equipped with tools to neutralize the threat without endangering human lives. It's armed with an array of non-lethal weapons designed to subdue suspects and disperse crowds. From net guns that can immobilize a person in seconds to tear spray that incapacitates without causing permanent harm, this robot is built for control and safety. Forget your tasers and pepper spray. This robot means business. It boasts net guns, tear spray, and smoke bombs. These tools are designed to handle a variety of situations, from a lone suspect to a large, unruly crowd. The net gun, for instance, can be deployed quickly to entangle a suspect, making it nearly impossible for them to escape. These are tools that could easily be misused. The power to control and subdue comes with a heavy responsibility. In the wrong hands, these non-lethal weapons could cause unnecessary harm or be used to suppress peaceful protests. And if that wasn't enough, it also has horns. These aren't just for show, they serve a purpose. The horns can emit loud, piercing sounds designed to disorient and disperse crowds. It's a feature that adds another layer of control, making it clear that this robot is a force to be reckoned with. And acoustic wave dispersers for crowd control. These devices can emit sound waves at frequencies that are uncomfortable for humans, effectively breaking up gatherings without physical confrontation. It's a method that prioritizes safety, but also raises ethical questions. Imagine a wall of sound powerful enough to break up a riot. The sheer force of the sound waves can make it impossible for people to stay in the area, forcing them to disperse. It's a non-lethal but highly effective way to control large groups. It's a potent reminder that this robot is not to be trifled with. Its presence alone can be enough to deter criminal activity or prevent a situation from escalating. The combination of its imposing design and advanced technology makes it a formidable tool in law enforcement. This robot represents a significant leap forward in security technology. It's not just about having the latest gadgets, it's about integrating them into a cohesive system that can operate autonomously or under human supervision. This level of sophistication opens up new possibilities for maintaining public safety. It raises questions about the appropriate use of force by robots. As we continue to develop and deploy these advanced machines, we must also consider the ethical implications. How do we ensure that they are used responsibly? What safeguards can we put in place to prevent misuse? These are questions that society will need to address as we move forward into this new era of robotic law enforcement. This is no ordinary robot. It's designed to be amphibious. It can seamlessly operate on both land and water. Indeed, this advanced sentinel can patrol both streets and waterways. It's reminiscent of a gadget from a James Bond movie, capable of reaching speeds up to 35 kilometers per hour on land. Weighing 125 kilograms, it's a formidable presence. Its amphibious nature makes it highly versatile. It can tackle challenging terrains with ease, perfect for a nation with diverse landscapes like China. Crafting a robot of this caliber isn't a cheap endeavor. The current production cost ranges from $41,425 to $55,233. That's a significant investment for a security guard, even one this sophisticated. However, there's hope for those with limited budgets. Experts predict the cost will decrease as production scales up. This could make robotic security accessible to more businesses and organizations. This brings up an important question. Will robots completely replace human security guards? Or will they merely enhance their capabilities? It's a debate that will continue for years to come. Chapter 5. Robots across the Pacific. China isn't alone in the robotic security game. In the US, companies like Knightscope, Cobalt AI, and Boston Dynamics are creating their own security robots. Knightscope's K5 robot is already patrolling places like Times Square and the NYC subway. Cobalt AI focuses on indoor robots that can engage with people. And Boston Dynamics is famous for its nimble, sometimes eerie robots, like Spot. Spot has even been used by the Secret Service at Mar-a-Lago, the former president's resort. The global race to develop and deploy security robots is heating up.
Chapter 6. Public Reactions, Fear, and Fascination. The debut of China's robot Bodyguard has sparked a range of emotions. Some are captivated by its advanced features, viewing it as a breakthrough for law enforcement. Yet, many remain wary. They perceive it as a troubling move towards a future dominated by machines. The robot's array of non-lethal weapons has only intensified these fears. The notion of a machine capable of overpowering a human is unsettling to many. It prompts deep questions about our evolving relationship with technology.
Chapter 7. The Ethics of Automation. The rise of security robots brings forth numerous ethical dilemmas. Privacy is one of the foremost issues. These robots are outfitted with cameras and sensors that gather extensive data. Who controls this data? How is it utilized? Job displacement is another major concern. As robots advance, they might replace human security personnel. This could drastically affect the job market. And then there's the matter of accountability. If a robot causes harm, who is to blame? The manufacturer, the programmer, the operator? These are intricate questions without straightforward answers. Chapter 8. The Future of Security, a robot on every corner. The rise of China's robot Bodyguard signals a new era. These machines aren't just novelties. They mark a profound shift in our approach to security and public safety. Picture walking down the street and encountering a robot instead of a human officer. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's our emerging reality. As technology progresses, more robots will take on security roles. These machines, equipped with advanced AI, can make split-second decisions, assess threats, and even predict criminal behavior. They work tirelessly without breaks and are free from human errors or biases. This could lead to a safer society, but it also raises significant questions. Whether this development is positive or negative remains to be seen. Robots could reduce crime and enhance safety, but their presence might also lead to a loss of privacy and increased surveillance. Opinions are divided, with some embracing the change and others fearing its implications. One thing is certain: the future of security will be shaped by the choices we make today. The integration of robots into our security systems is inevitable, but how we choose to implement and regulate this technology will determine its impact. Will we prioritize efficiency and safety, or will we also consider the ethical and social implications? We need to have a serious conversation about the ethical implications of this technology. Issues such as privacy, accountability, and the potential for misuse must be addressed. Who will be responsible if a robot makes a wrong decision? How do we ensure that these robots are used for the public good and not for oppressive purposes? The decisions we make now will determine whether robots make our world safer or more dangerous. It's a delicate balance, and we must tread carefully. The potential benefits are enormous, but so are the risks. We must ensure that the technology is used responsibly and ethically. The future is in our hands. As we stand on the brink of this technological revolution, we have the power to shape it in a way that benefits all of humanity. The choices we make today will echo through the generations to come. Let's make sure we choose wisely.